Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I want to go ahead and share what's in this box right here. This is from my wife. She got this made for me. And I thought it was very nice. So I wanted to share. I normally don't share too much things in my personal life from my wife, but I wanted to share this with you. So I've been using this knife right here for several years. And then I recently started using this one from Subcase, but she got me a knife made and I was like, this is so cool. I appreciate it. So I wanted to show you. This is the box it came in. There's a personalized message at the top. I don't want to share that with you, but I do want to share the knife. Not this personalized message. There's another one inside, but that's private. But this is the knife. I thought this was really sweet, and I said I gotta show these guys real quick and to the point, man. This is so nice, and I was just like, wow, thank you so much. She got Jay Williams put on there. She was like, I know you do the videos and stuff, so I think you should have a knife. I was like, yeah, I like the wood on it. Really, really, really nice. What do you think about that? I think that was very cool. And I wanted to share with you guys. It is a real knife though. It's nice blade on it. It's about the size of this particular knife, roughly. But the blade on this one is a little different. You see, this knife has had its share of unboxings, but this was really nice, and I wanted to share it. I was like, wow, this is sweet. I gotta go ahead and show my peoples what my wife do for me on this. When I'm not doing YouTube, she buys me all kind of stuff. But this is really cool right here, man. She buys me some cool gifts, and obviously I don't share them all the time. But I thought this one is related to the channel, so I need to go ahead and share this because this is really cool. You can see the wood in here, man. This is really nice, and they just kind of engraved my name in there. Yeah, but I wanted to share. It's got a little spot for a lanyard too, but obviously I'm not gonna use a lanyard, and I'm gonna start using this for my unboxing videos, guys. So, and I probably won't be able to switch from this either. She'll check on like, where was the knife at? Nah, you know how wives are. Anyway, no, this was a very cool gift. I want to share with you guys my new unboxing knife. Really nice. I don't know where she got this made at. It really doesn't matter. I just like the wood on it, and it's got my name on there for the channel. It's pretty sweet. It's your man Jay. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.